Take a look what I ordered from Aliexpress for $1. And what is it? It's a professional electrician wire tool cable wire cutter crimper automatic HX6C model. In description it says that it have 11 functions, this plier professional tool, and it looks amazing. I got it. Bubbles. What? What is this? A broken part from the handle. But from where? Oh, right here. Never mind, it's a small piece. Whoop. Nice and feeling nice. It's metal with plastic handles and a lot of 11 to be precise functions that you can make with these pliers and crimper. Okay, let's test it. On Aliexpress you can find a lot of these professional electrician pliers with different prices, but this model is most sold with 1000 plus sold. Alright, okay. On top we have the pliers, we have the wire strippers holes from 0.8 to 3 millimeters. We have two branches right here with different dimensions. We have a cutter in the middle. Also here we have a blade for stripping wires. This is the breaker. Nice. This is for twisting the wires together. You can twist 4 wires at once. At bottom we have the crimper. Alright. Also the wire stripper knife blade right here. You can see that. It's nice. Okay. Great. Okay. Very easy. What? Okay. With this wire stripper or cutter you can strip the wires like this. Easy. As I mentioned, this is a wire splitter. Alright, and you can split the wires and then like this. Let's try the twister for 4 wires. I'm gonna try that. It will be complicated, but let's try it anyway. Okay, I'm ready. works. Okay, good. And last that I'm gonna use is the crimper. Let's crimp, for example, these two wires. Put it like here and press it real hard. It's good. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 sizes for crimping. Alright. And also you can do one more time. Let's try it. Yes. Good. Let's count the functions. At front we have the pliers for tightening. We have the wire stripper 2, cutter 3, 2 wrenches 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3 tools right here. 11. It's correct. From Aliexpress for $1. In some countries will be more than $1, maybe $3, $4 or $5, depending in which country you are. The price is different. You can get this tool from Aliexpress. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. I hope you liked today's video presentation of this very useful electrician tool. Give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!